everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another I Heart Revolution makeup collection gift set for you. I've got the Unicorn Dreams makeup gift set collection here and I'm so excited. Just before we begin the video, I have done, I think it's 4 of the gift set unboxings on my channel, so if you like the look of this kind of thing then please subscribe and I'll put the links in the bio. The eyeshadow look that I've got on today was from the testing video of the Glitz and Glam makeup collection gift set, and I used the one and only Unicorn Love palette, which is incredible. So if you want to go and see that, just a little teaser, it's a fluffy eyeshadow palette. I will leave the links for both of those videos below and my other gift set unboxings. Back to the Unicorn Dreams makeup kit. This is incredible. I'll show you the box first. I Heart Revolution seems to have brought all of their classic retro makeup and put them into little gift set boxes, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. This one is the Unicorn Dreams. What we've been seeing is I Heart Revolution putting these nostalgic classics in gift sets and they're just so cute. I'm so excited to unbox this one. So far I think the Glitz and Glam one was my absolute favourite. I have unboxed the Peach Party and the Shimmering Hearts as well, and the Watermelon Kisses one, but I think this one and the Glitz and Glam is just totally me. These are on the Revolution Beauty website and I do believe they are being brought out for Christmas gift sets because they'd be such a good present. I did show you briefly just now, but we've got an eyeshadow palette, we've got some highlighter products, and then we've got a couple of other things over here. Let's just dive in. The contents of the box just looks like this, so you get all of your products wrapped in this protective packaging. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. I've got a couple of these products, I think, all from the same family of products over there on my little glass shelf, and I'm just eyeing them up now. Wow, this colour theme is so me. These are all the products here. I think this has the most products in from the gift set so far, or potentially the peach one did, I can see that over there. But oh my goodness, look at the colour theme. Silver and pink, my thing totally. Oh, there's a product in here I haven't seen before as well. Back in the day when I Heart Revolution first sort of caught my eyesight, they were bringing out little products like this. I have got all of the collection from this one, and they were eyeshadow palettes, but they look like Polly Pockets. I have got the 3 that came with it. I think it was the Diamond Brights and the Heartbeats palette, and then the I forgot what this was called, Ocean's Treasure. And about 3 or 4 years ago I did a testing video on this, and I think it was my first ever testing video. But these products in this box sort of remind me of that era, and it gets me so excited. I know these products are newer than the Ocean's Treasure and the Heartbeats and that, but give me the same vibes. The first product in the gift set is the I Heart Revolution Metallic Unicorns Lips in Whimsical. This is what the shade looks like. I remember these very well. The unicorn collections, the mermaids, and then I think there was another one as well, but I can't remember what it was. It was a dragon collection, that was it. This one's from the unicorn collection and it's so stunning. We did get a couple of other of these lipsticks in the other gift sets as well, so I totally have a full collection now. I'm really excited. This is what the lip gloss looks like without the packaging. I'm just going to do a swatch for you now. This is what the swatch of this lipstick looks like. It's very, very pretty. Absolutely love that. It's got really nice reflex in it, and I think this is probably one you could get away with wearing daily. I am definitely somebody who wears either plumping lip glosses or just lip glosses in general, and this I can tell is going to be reached for. The next product in the Unicorn Dreams gift set is this little lip balm here. I'll get it out of the box now. The packaging looks like this. It's very cute, very 90s for some reason. I think it's kind of reminded me of groovy chick makeup that I used to have, and considering it said it was a balm, this is very pigmented, so I'm just going to do a swatch on the back of my hand. Oh wow, it is coming off more like a lip balm, but there's definitely a tint there. The one I've just swatched is the one that's at the bottom, so just near my finger. You can see the tint there, which is really nice. I feel like this would be a really good one just to pop in your little work handbag, and it feels very moisturising. I will do a testing video as well with these products from this gift set, so please subscribe if you want to see that, or any other gift set that I've tested. Really nice, that one. The next item I'm looking at is a bigger one. It's a glow serum, so I have got that one over there. I thought I recognised the box. It's the Unicorn Heart Glow Serum, and the box is just so cute. If you like pastel pink or unicorns or anything girly, this set is perfect for you. I remember what it looked like now, that's why it's on display, because it's so cute. But now I've got 2, I can actually use one of them. This is the Unicorn Heart Glow Serum. It says it's a primer with a vitamin E. Look at the reflex in that. That's incredible. Honestly, this gift set already is making me so happy. It's an easy way for you to get hold of the collection as well if you haven't got it, because now I've got these gift sets, I feel like I'm all hearted up. I've got all the classic sets and I'm so excited. I can't remember if this smells of anything. It smells a bit of sugar. It just comes with this little dropper, so you can pop that on before you pop your makeup on. and it looks like a magic potion. This is one of my favourite items I've got from the gift sets so far. Next up, we've got a little box, so I'm going to open this now. This is the box up close. It's the Unicorn's Heart highlighter. I remember this so well, and look at the packaging. It's so iridescent. It's lovely. And then inside, I remember what this one looked like. It was so lovely. There it is in all its glory. It's the Unicorn's Heart Triple Baked Highlighter. Inside it looks like this. Yes, just how I remembered it. Absolutely lovely, and a really kind of special highlighter because you don't see many like this. It's really one for the collectors out there. I know there's loads of you. Swatch wise, I'll just run my finger over it. Whoa. I can see green in that one. This would probably be good as a eyeshadow. I don't know, we could try it as a highlighter. I'm definitely down for doing a testing video with this gift set anyway, so I will figure out what I'm going to do with it and then I'll use it in that video. Does anyone else's leggings just get totally ruined when you do makeup videos? Because I just wipe all the makeup on my leggings. Is that gross? I don't know. Oh well. We have 3 products left. I'm going to go in with this one because I've not seen one like this before. I do remember there was one in the dragon set and probably the mermaid set too, but it's the Unicorn's Heart and it's a contour brush. I'll just show you the packaging here. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. No way. It's stunning. This is what the contour brush looks like. It's just making me smile. I mean, oh no, it's so cute. How can I ever use that? I think I'm definitely gonna have to find a way to pop things like this in my filming background because I found a couple of things from the gift set so far which I definitely want in the background. So I think I'm gonna have a little reshuffle of my makeup side, and this has got to get in there. It's so cute and it's so soft. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go for this item next, and then we've got an eyeshadow palette. This is the Unicorn Glow Liquid Highlighter. The 2 little bottles that came in here, we've had the Glow Primer first, and then we've got the liquid highlighter here. This is what the bottle looks like. I am loving this metallic packaging. It's so lovely, and it's a small little bottle but will go a long way, I should imagine. And then inside it's got a little applicator. I'll try and get some up now and then we'll do a swatch on my arm. I'm wondering if this is going to be sticky. I'm assuming it's not because it's probably quite popular, but let's have a go. Whoa, that's what it looks like there. I'm just gonna try and smooth it out a little bit. I feel like it's gonna have a green sort of reflect in it. Whoa, I'll put a bit too much on. Okay, this would go a long way. Well, I don't think it has got a green reflect, but it's very nice. Ooh, definitely got to use it sparingly though, because that could actually go all the way up my arm. Wow, I've never actually used a liquid highlighter before, so this would be good for the testing video. That's really cute. I like that. Definitely feel like this is a full collection. It's just stunning. And the final one in this collection gift set is the Unicorn Heart Shadow Palette. This is what the box looks like. It goes with the theme of the other products as well. I have noticed I've just got a bath bomb over there from the same collection, but this is what the box looks like. I can definitely feel a Unicorn Heart collection testing video coming on. I don't know what to expect this to look like. Oh wow, I've not seen packaging like this before. It's got like a plastic top. Normally they have something over it. Oh, I like it. It's kind of a thick plastic that I'm feeling here. It doesn't feel cheap, feels quite sturdy. And then it's got kind of a yellow reflect on the side, which goes with their iridescent theme. And actually I'm seeing purples, blues, greens and all sorts in this. So I think it's just an iridescent packaging, which definitely goes with the theme. That's what the back looks like there. And then when you open the front, you haven't got a mirror in this one, but I'm totally okay with that because I love this packaging. It's definitely got iridescent reflex there. This is what the Unicorn Heart Shadow Palette looks like. Some very unique colours in there. I'm liking this theme. I definitely will be doing a testing video on this, and I like how they've written the shade names on the pans as well. That's really nice. So I'll pop some swatches of this in for you now. These are the swatches of the Unicorn Heart Shadow Palette. If you're new to my channel, I have a fear of the inside of my wrist, so that's why I do swatches on the top of my arm. I'm absolutely loving this. This side of the palette, oh my goodness, and the metallics, they are so smooth. They just went on with one swatch, so that was absolutely perfect. This one over here, I feel like it came off the pan as green, but then when you popped it on your arm it went pink, so I'm wondering if this is kind of an iridescent shade to go with the unicorn theme. And I can see the highlighter popping over there. Whoa. But all of these colours over this side, I feel like this is just so stunning, and they're probably going to be the ones I would reach for in a makeup testing video, so if you want to see that then please subscribe. And this one over over here is probably shouting out to me as well because it's such a beautiful metallic crimson-y pink. It's really nice. I think overall this one looks like my favourite, but I'm very excited to try them all. And that was the Unicorn's Heart eyeshadow palette. Wow, this collection, I think this might have topped the Glitz and Glam collection. I just think this one really screams out to me and it just makes me smile a lot. But I definitely love them both. I'm just going to do a recap of all the products in the I Heart Revolution Unicorn Dreams makeup kit. We had the Unicorn's Heart eyeshadow palette, the Glow Serum Primer, the Unicorn Balm in the shade Story. We had the metallic Unicorn Lip Gloss in the shade Mystical. The adorable Unicorn's Heart contour brush. I think this is my favourite from the box actually. So cute and definitely going in my filming background. The Unicorn Glow Liquid Highlighter. And the Unicorn's Heart Triple Baked Highlighter. As I said now, I think this one may be my favourite that I've opened so far. I'm sure Revolution will come out with a few other ones as well. I will be keeping my eye out. If you like I Heart Revolution, then please subscribe to this channel because I've got a lot of things planned and a lot of things filmed actually, which I'm very excited about, and a lot of things to film. I'm just going to get on with it and I hope you come along for the journey. It just makes me very happy. I love all their stuff. It just makes me feel so nostalgic and happy and just peaceful, I think. I find playing with makeup very therapeutic, especially when we sort of get caught up in the working world. It can be quite difficult, but you've always got to remember to try and make time for the things that make you feel truly alive and the things you love, and for me that's my YouTube channel and makeup. If you want to see more, you can follow me on Instagram, that's at Zoey Glitter, Zoey with a Y, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!